Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Thoughts on Education. We would like to start by asking you your brief introduction and your basic background.
Thank you, Mr. Mathur. I am Dr. Sachin Sagar. Presently, I am working as a principal with Amritsar Pharmacy College, Amritsar.
Yes, sir.
I have 23 years, approximately 23 years experience, both industrial as well as teaching experience. I have been with pharma industry for 8 years in various capacities. Thereafter, for last almost 15 years, I have been with academics and
Yes, sir.
I have held various positions. My last position which I held was director at a pharmacy institute in Dehradun.
Okay, sir.
So presently I am with Amritsar Pharmacy
Yes, sir,
as a
that's
principal.
great. Yeah, sir, that's great, sir. Sir, as you have held key positions at education institutes throughout your professional career, what are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
See, Mr. Mathur, this is my personal view that education should not only be to fill you with knowledge. See, it is to make you hungry for knowledge. Okay,
Sure, sir.
education turns green buds into beautiful flowers.
Yeah, sir.
My motivation to be connected with education sector is because of my feeling that teachers play important role in nation building, and the experience of working with young people, tutoring them, mentoring them, gives me immense joy and satisfaction.
Sure,
So
sir.
these factors make me connected with the academy.
Sure, sir. Sir, also I would like to ask you that being the principal of Amritsar Pharmacy College, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your style of leadership?
Uh, Leader is a one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way.
Yes, sir.
So, leadership is about inspiring people to realize their potential, to motivate them to achieve their objective. Leaders
Awesome.
should be nurturers and encouragers.
Yes, sir.
I would describe my leadership style to be a mix of democratic and coach-like
Yes.
leadership, where
Sure, sir.
decisions are made on the basis of the input of the team members,
Yes, sir.
and emphasis is also on identifying and nurturing the individual strength of each member.
Sure, sir. Sir, yeah, that is a great answer. And sir, how do you feel that the curriculum of Amritsar Pharmacy College ensures the best practice of the industry?
Yeah, this is a good question, Mathur.
Yes.
Industry is because the present curriculum, pharmacy colleges are, based on the curriculum which is provided by Pharmacy Council of India. So everybody
Sure.
is aware of it. And Pharmacy Council of India has done a lot to include industry-based knowledge in their curriculum.
Sure,
At
sir.
Amritsar Pharmacy College, we have set up a industry interface cell with an
Mhm.
objective to establish strong industry connect. The college regularly organizes industry-led seminars for both student and faculty.
Okay, sir.
The college focus is on the outcome-based education by developing course plans with objective and outcomes.
Okay, sir.
Regular training is also being imparted to our students to enhance their communication skills and aptitude of the students to make them employable.
Sure,
The
sir.
college also encourages the student to pursue and acquire necessary problem solving skills. In a way, we try to develop soft skill in the students so that they are industry ready. Whenever they pass out or whenever they graduate from the college, they are industry ready, and their
Yes, sir.
acceptance level in the industry is high.
That's good. Yeah, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you so much for your answer. Sir, are there any insights that how the university could be more welcoming to the students of different races and economic backgrounds?
Amritsar Pharmacy College is one of the colleges of Amritsar Group of Colleges.
Yes,
At
sir.
Amritsar Group of Colleges, you see, we have diverse and multicultural environment over here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the motto of AGC, that is Amritsar Group, is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which is world is a family. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And APC values the perspective of students from diverse types of background. The college
sure, sir.
believes in diversity and multiculturalism. Diversity of race, ethnicity, gender, economic background, religion, age. The college provides a welcoming and progressive environment where the students from various backgrounds can express themselves in a manner they find fit and are better prepared for global society. Because once you graduate and wherever you are employed, the present scenario is such that you will always find multicultural and diverse people wherever you are working.
Yes,
So
sir. Yeah.
we make the student fit in that he doesn't find himself out of place once he graduates from the college, but he fits into all sorts of environment and is able to contribute also.
Sure, sir. Yeah, sir. So, yeah, that was a very good answer. And so, moving on, sir, what do you think that what your roles and responsibilities are toward the Amritsar Pharmacy College?
My role is about providing strategic direction, leadership, and coordination. My
Okay, sir.
main role as a principal over here is this. The focus is on creating a culture that promotes the improvement of teaching and learning of students and staff, and maintaining an effective education program which enables holistic development and enlightenment of students and productive contribution to the society.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. And apart from your role, sir, what do you think are the college's greatest strengths that are unique to Amritsar Pharmacy College?
Amritsar Pharmacy College has always held a student-centric approach. So this is
Yes.
our main strength, that we always think about betterment of the student, how we can how can we improve the students, how we can give what we can give to the students. Okay. Then the second strength is integrity of faculty and leadership, and the career progression based on teaching, research, and services. These are the three strengths. We have a lot of strength, but basically the pillar where
Yes, sir.
the APC, the foundation and the pillars are these. First is student-centric approach, the integrity of the faculty and the leadership, and the career progression of the staff and faculty based on merit, which is basically teaching, research, and the service.
Okay, sir. Sir, I would like to ask you about what some of your plans that you have or are currently planning and designing for Amritsar Pharmacy College's international affairs and students.
For international students,
Yes, sir.
see, as such, these are general plans, not specifically for international students, but the plans for our students as well. We cannot
Okay.
categorize it as these are specific plans. These are basically what we foresee or what we envisage for our future. Okay, the institute plans to develop and enhance the capacity in research and innovation and enable ourselves to be positioned globally.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Sure.
from here onwards, after say few years, we want to see ourselves globally.
Yes,
And
actually.
institutional, and the second plan we have is that institutional collaboration and international partnership in
Mm-hmm.
teaching and learning, including student and faculty exchange programs with our
Mm-hmm.
international collaborators. So these are basically two aims, or what we have, two goals which we have kept for ourselves in the near future.
Sure, sir. So finally, I would like to ask that what advice would you offer to the current youth and aspiring students?
My advice to the students will be that while choosing any career path, the students should be guided by their interest and passion, and not by the peer pressure. Okay.
Sure.
Not like that my neighbor is doing this, so I should be also be doing this, or my uncle's son has taken medical stream, so I should also be a doctor. This should not
Yes,
be the
sir.
criteria for choosing any career. You should always know your positive points and your interest and your passion, and follow
Yes,
that.
sir.
Follow that. Complete commitment and hard work to excel once you have chosen your passion and area of interest. Okay.
Okay.
Secondly, the student should always develop decision making capabilities, because it is going to help him long way once he is placed and employed somewhere in the
Yes,
industry.
sir. Sure, sir. Sir, thank you so much for your insights and being a part of Thoughts on Education. I would really like to thank you again for providing time from your busy schedule. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.